Are you all excited?
Where you I will be my heart in the deep.
Let's get started with all the 12 shades of Faces No Transfer Matte Liquid Lipstick. So beginning with the packaging first, this comes in a cardboard box with the price and everything mentioned, and I'm going to swatch all the 12 shades and review and wear it also for you to see. Beginning with the first shade, Formo Queen, which is an out and out blood red, but it looks little darker on my lips. On my hands you can see it is looking a pinkish red. I really like the color, very festive, very celebrating. Second one is influencer, my favorite term, and it also is a red, but a more tomato red for the ones brides who love bright red color. This one is for you, influencer in 02. Now comes a little coral red, BTown Babe, shade number 3. So 5 of the first shades are all in the family of red, because red is the most wanted liquid lipstick color as per surveys amongst ladies. So you can see it's very similar to the previous 2 shades, in fact very similar to the second shade. This one is also looking very good. Then we have Wonderbug, shade number 4, and this one is again a red. Once I swipe it on my hand, you can see it is again a red. There's hardly any difference. Only people who are very particular about a shade of red, only they would be able to relate to this, but I'm loving it all. No matter whichever you pick, they are all beautiful. Next up is Silent Stalker in shade number 5. This is a red again, and this one is a more intense tomato red. That's how I can describe it. Now comes the different parts of different shades. This is Tea Spiller, one of my favorite shades from this range. It's a beautiful mauve pink, looks so good on any complexion, and means the red ones are also going to look fabulous on all complexions, all kinds. And next one is 7 Gramster. This is a very beautiful coral pink, and this looked a little light on my pigmented lips, but on the hand swatches it looked a little patchy, and also on the lips it is a bit patchy, to be honest. Now coming to the next shade, 8 Streakster. This one, it was a complete washout on me, I feel. What do you think? Is it suiting me or not? Let me know in the comments. And I feel it's washing me out, really. But on a second thought, not that bad. Avoid the pimple, please. Now we have Cereal Texture, shade number 9. Again, a very pretty purple pink, very dark, intense, very festive. I love it. I am wearing these colors very lightly, just one swipe on my lips so that you get the true view of how the color looks on me. And it's a beautiful magenta pink, one of my favorites after shade number 6. Similar family. Now we have shade number 10, and this is a beautiful name, Meme Monster. And this is a coral, beautiful coral peach shade, one of the best shades of this range, which is very wearable. Now we have Filter Freak. When I had all the lipsticks, this was the first lipstick I picked up and wore, and I also wear it to my workplace. It's a beautiful nude color, my most favorite. Yes, my most favorite out of all, because I am in the nude zone nowadays. I really love nudes and browns, and this one is a perfect fit to that. And if I had to pick up one unique shade, it's going to be the Grammar Nazi. It's so beautiful, plum, perfect fall shade. What do you think? How does it look on me? And I totally loved wearing it. So these lipsticks are transfer proof. If you let them sit on your lip for 2 minutes, let them dry, and if you don't let them dry, this is what's gonna happen. It did transfer a bit, but if you let them dry, it will be completely transfer proof and it won't budge. See for yourself. Now how to remove it? I remove it with my Maybelline Express Finish dual tone, dual phased, whatever makeup remover, and it does a fantastic job with that, because it is specially meant for eye and lip makeup removing. Then Nowadays, mask is part of life. So is it mask proof? Yes, it is. If you let it set and let it be dry completely. So which one is your favorite shade? Comment down below and let me know. And please share it with all your girlfriends out there. Okay? Bye.